Hello guys and welcome back to another video, and today I am at North Queensferry. We're going to be seeing services from ScotRail and one service from LNER. So yeah, let's get into the video. Passing through now is an LNER service from London King's Cross to Aberdeen. And that was 800-108. Passing through now is a ScotRail service from Dundee to Edinburgh Waverley. And that was 170-432. And off it goes there, over the Forth Bridge. Passing through now is a ScotRail service from Edinburgh Waverley to Perth. That's 158713 and 158725. Passing through now is a ScotRail service from Aberdeen to Edinburgh Waverley. And that was 170-405. Arriving now is the 1516 ScotRail service from Cowden Beef to Edinburgh Waverley. And this one is 158731. Departing out now is the 1516 ScotRail service from Cowden Beef to Edinburgh Waverley. Arriving now is the delayed 1512 ScotRail service from Edinburgh Waverley to Glenrothes with Thornton. Front is 158704. Rear is 170-407, and this train is running about 10 minutes late. Departing out now is the delayed 1512 ScotRail service from Edinburgh Waverley to Glenrothes with Thornton. Passing through now is a ScotRail service from Edinburgh Waverley to Dundee. And the front is 158701. And the rear is 170,427. Passing through now is a ScotRail service from Perth to Edinburgh. That was 158728, over on its way to Edinburgh Waverley. Arriving now is the 1541 ScotRail service from Glenrothes with Thornton to Edinburgh Waverley. And this one is 170,413. Following out now is the 1541 ScotRail service from Glenrothes with Thornton to Edinburgh Waverley. Passing through now is a ScotRail service from Edinburgh Waverley to Aberdeen. That was 43164 and 43037. Passing through now is a ScotRail service from Dundee to Edinburgh Waverley. And that was 170,410. Passing through now is a ScotRail service from Edinburgh Waverley to Perth. And that's 170,395. And that is going to be the final train in this video. So if you have enjoyed this video, then please leave a like down below. And subscribe to my channel to see more videos just like this one. And comment down below any stations you want me to visit. So yeah, thank you all very much for watching this video. And I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.